Want to do a 3, 2, 1 countdown?
Sure.
3, 2, 1, go.
We doing this?
Yeah, I think that's what it's supposed to be.
Oops.
Fuck, it's so hard to maneuver.
Yeah.
Oh, I hit the tree. Yeah, there's 100% some southern ass motherfucker talking outside my door right now. That's all I hear. What are you doing, dude? I don't understand how I can't hit. Are you sure your shit's on? I haven't gotten a single like hit marker on you.
Oh, I misplayed big time.
Boxes on the trees.
I'm right in front of you. There's no trees in front of us. Are you positive? Yeah.
I switched computers, so it is possible it's disabled.
Oh no, big misplay. What did I do?
Allow PvP with group. Let me check. Difficulty. Standard.
I think you're gonna win this one, Sully.
Yeah, everything's on.
Your enemy strength is set to standard, but combat is on standard.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, I fucked that actually.
Damn, how I did not
Oh,
get
Yeah, that
alright.
gives me the opportunity to save my rook. Phew. Oh, not Blobby.
Well, it doesn't make any sense, but whatever.
Oh.
Ah, dang it.
What the hell?
Okay, keep your bishop. Keep your bishop.
Oh,
for now.
Yeah, it's not gonna do anything though. You're still gonna end up winning.
Maybe. Oh, I taken critical damage.
Okay. There goes your bishop.
Oh my god. This shit will not.
Oh. Okay. Round 1.
That's a big yikes, Sully.
Oh, whoops. What was I doing? Yeah.
He was just so obsessed with destroying my pawn army. My blobbies.
Yeah. Also sort of baked, so.
Well. Nothing you can do about that.
Shit. I want for myself. Why won't my gun?
Making my life hard out here.
I don't know where the fuck you went.
But I can't see you. What? Well, I can see you, but I couldn't see your marker. Dang.
Oh, I think it's because we're so close to each other.
Yeah.
It likes to disappear.
Oh, nearly misplayed there. No assassination on my rook. That would have been a long range kill.
Oh my god, this motherfucker is hacking out there. Jesus.
I just got a
Oh no, not you. The dude outside my window, he's just like coughing real hard.
Okay, wait a minute. Put me in a real tough situation
Was
over here.
that your second or your third death?
That was the third round. Oh man, okay. Well, I guess if it's best of 5, that means I'm out.
I lost all 3 in a row.
Technology recharging.
I thought it was okay. Is it best of 5 or just 5 rounds?
Oh, are
We
we?
can just do
I mean,
5
best of
rounds
5
if you
or
want.
5 rounds doesn't make a difference.
True. You right?
I'll do it however.
Oh, wait.
I mean,
Out of my lines.
Dark Saber's right. It don't matter.
Either way.
We can go again though.
Wait, I'm sorry. Where was that?
The Diplo, I moved him 1 here in the last round, like from here to here, and then I bam.
Gotcha. Okay.
Your queen is still making me very nervous. Oh no. Blobby! Revenge! Jesus, you still have so many blobs.
What are you guys
Whew.
doing from blob
What?
to if you get a pond without rank, it turns into a piece of your choice.
Oh no, you can revive one of your one of your destroyed pieces. Okay, this is a really bad situation for my rooks, I just realized. You can kill your blobby, because you can charge in with your after that. Sneaky, sneaky. Oh. Just gonna move it. Oh fuck, I forgot about that. Oh no. Ah, I was trying so hard to not lose my rook. Shit. Ah. Okay, well this is bad.
Oh my god, my gun! My gun will not pull out. Was I just talking with you? Fuck. My shit just won't come out. My wind shaft does not want to pull up.
Check.
Wait, what? Oh fuck!
Okay, so
No,
if
wait.
it's
not
only
check.
5, then it's you with 3.
I can sacrifice my queen.
Good game.